Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you the first step to creating a proposal within InkSoft. So from the InkSoft dashboard here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on New Proposal. There's another way to get there too, and that is going to go to Proposals, and then up in the upper right hand corner there's a little plus icon that says Create. You could use that too, but we're just going to do it from the dashboard by clicking this New Proposal. So the first step once you're in here is going to be to add a customer. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to add myself. And if you did want to change the customer, you could go up and just hit replace customer right here. Proposal name, so this is where you would kind of give a brief description of what this proposal is. So we're just going to say that this is a test stickers. Okay. Now as far as the store assignment, it's only going to let us choose the Kaizink store. If this customer did have web stores, you could either assign it to the web store or to our main Kaizink store. When you choose the web store, I believe it pulls the pricing that's assigned within that store, as well as it does some cool things like add the company logo and color scheme, however we had designed that web store. The assignee is going to be the sales rep, so you can choose who you want there. So we'll just go ahead and leave Franny on there. PO, we are not paying with a PO, so we don't necessarily need to change that. And what we're going to do down here, expiration date, we're just going to do 30 days out. So we'll just call it May 2nd. This proposal will expire then. So we're going to select our enhanced date. So if there was something discussed with the client up front on a specific enhanced date, you could utilize that. Otherwise, we're just going to go ahead and use our production standards. So on this one, we're just going to say 2 days out. We're going to leave the automated tax rate. And if you had any proposal notes, you could go ahead and drop those in there at this point. So that's going to be step one. Stay tuned for step two, which is going to be adding products. Thanks for watching.